styles and fashions. If you got questions about the game, player, be careful who you asking. Cause conversation will have you days if you don't pay attention. I pulled this female with one phrase that a player mentioned. I'm at the club sipping on Remy and Coke, straight getting tipsy with folks. I see this girl that I'm hoping to stroke. I'm thinking of something to say that's worth her while. You know, to get her up in the mood, to act a fool or maybe crack a smile. I spit my game and she did grin, and I could tell that she's in need, so I proceed to put my bid in. I ain't no trick, but I bought her a shot. This how a player gon' plot. A couple of drinks and she got. I'm looking at things from a pimp's perspective, and if she got scratched, watch your back and get to checking. We necking from the club all the way to the hotel. I'm fresh out Milwaukee's jail, hitting it like I'm headed to another cell. She copped the room cause she's got a man, and my hut's too plush to bust nuts on one night stand, my man. She's at the telly on her belly. I'm hitting it from behind, letting loose on the back of her belly. I laid it down like a real G. Incarceration got her facing nothing but bones, so she feels me. When I got through, she couldn't even speak, so we took 2 shots of some Remy and went to sleep. Recognize game when it hits you. Don't let them get you. Real players get the picture. Even though they getting funky with it, telling lies, me and my guys throwing monkey wrenches up in it. Recognize game when it hits you. Don't let them get you. Real players get the picture. Yeah, we with you. Even though they getting funky with it, telling lies, me and my guys throwing monkey wrenches up in the morning to the sound of that ghetto bird. Forget what you fellas heard. My game ain't that tight unless I'm heard, so I'm swerving to the liquor store for more drink. I'm stopping to get a toothbrush and toothpaste to talk cause her breath stain. We rolling back cause I'm in Mac mode. By the time I drop her off, we stopping at her bank. Oh yeah, I'm that cold. If she don't pay me, she gon' witness how this fist feel. Don't wanna hear nothing but the sound of some crisp bills. I got my mindset on big tape. See, I'm trying to bubble and double up a knot into a big safe. It takes a game to get paid from the shady type. Went to the bank, made a withdrawal and did it ladylike. Now I'm back at the liquor store for John P. Forever in my debt cause all the drink she drunk was on me. My pocket's bulging and I'm headed to her home until my cell phone started flashing wrong. What's going on? She's got the caddy on the strange route. Come to find out she ain't trying to make it home, she wanna hang out. So I hits it to the crib and took 2 steaks and some shrimp out the fridge. Yeah, why don't you whip them steaks up for a player? Seasoning salt up in that cabinet right there by the stove. And I'm finna hop in the shop. The phone ring, don't even answer, baby. Recognize game when it hits you. Don't let them get you. Real players get the picture. Even though they getting funky with it, telling lies, me and my guys throwing monkey wrenches up in it. Recognize game when it hits you. Don't let them get you. Real players get the picture. Even though they getting funky with it, telling lies, me and my guys throwing monkey wrenches up in it. Hopped out the shower in about in half an hour. She posted up on the phone, claim her man's trying to get on one with strictly powder. I called my player folks 7 thieves. He said uncooked, uncut, coat of thing, gonna be 7 G's. Went through the motions of that middle guy. Underpaid, overworked, self-made baller, getting them little fries. But I'm gonna plug him up anyway. Not even thinking about this woman and her man, gonna know where I stay. They'll probably set me up for jack moves, but back moves always end up back fine on them black fools. Her man pulled up rolling D's on the hearse, knowing he headed for worse. He quit with his vest in case I up first. Kicked through my dope like a sissy. He let off 2 or 3 clippings and got me tripping cause they all missed me. Ain't even thought about that block watch. My guys posted for static up in the attic with they clocks.